southeastern Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Potter Lake, or near Mukwonago, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukesha, New Berlin, Muskego, Pewaukee, Hales Corners, Mukwonago, East Troy, Wind Lake, Rochester, North Prairie, Big Bend, Browns Lake, Monners Lake, Waterford North,